Hey folks, today I'm going to talk about logo mockups and why they are a vital part of the logo design process. They help you to see whether or not your logo is adaptable and versatile, two key criteria to a successful logo design. As a designer, you should be taking the logo design that you've created and applying it to different situations. It could be a business card, letterhead, water bottle, lanyard, side of a bus. Just think of as many situations as you can that the logo may be situated. If the logo design that you've created doesn't work, or some element of it can't be used and still be recognizable as part of that brand identity, you may have to go back to the drawing board. As a business owner, when you're having your logo designed, if the designer simply presents you with the logo on a white page and you like the logo, that's great. But is it going to be adaptable and is it going to be versatile? You should request that your logo designer create these mock-ups for you so that you can see and be reassured that the logo you are being given is actually going to work in wide situations for your brand. Creating mock-ups is good for both the designer and the brand owner. It lets both parties see and have confidence that the solution that's being created in the logo is the right one. Mock-ups aren't just a bit of fun. They do serve a useful part in the logo design process and they should be carried out. It may be that some logo designers just do not include logo mock-ups as part of their logo design service, and you may, as a business owner, have to pay an extra fee. Personally, I include logo mockups as part of my logo design process because I feel it is a vital part of that process. Without the mockups, I don't know whether that logo design is the right solution. I hope you find this video about logo mockups useful. If you have, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more videos like this that will help give you confidence and help you to rock your brand, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that little bell icon and you'll be notified whenever I release another new video. Until I see you next time, stay creative folks.